Today water level is so low these pigeons are not able to drink water. Look, so many pigeons came and they cannot drink water, Yagulk. Yagulk? Look, so many pigeons came. Yagulk, so many pigeons came. Hello. They are not able to drink water. Water is so low. So many pigeons came, they are not able to drink water. Huh? Let's go, Chacha. Yes, let's go, Chacha. Let's go.
Mama.
Yes, let's go, Mama also.
Baby.
Yes, let's go.
Water. Bigger.
Yes, pigeon came, so many pigeon.
Water.
So many pigeon, they came for water. They came for water.
Water.
Yes. Say chew. Yagwal, say chew. Say pigeon chew. 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 Ooh. Let's go. Go to Chacha.